You can stay, please. Stay. Just stay. Just stay here. Yes, yes. Ovdje na CN Toweru su i mališani koji su nam stigli iz Kolumbije. Kolumbija je u grupi s Portugalom, s Kongom i sa Uzbekistanom, pa evo da čujemo šta oni očekuju. Djevojčica ne priča engleski, ali evo pričat ćemo s ovim mališanom. What do you expect from Colombia on this World Cup?
The respect to the Colombia is the World Cup is very good because we have to the players to for example Lucho Diaz, James Rodriguez, John Arias, and etc. These players is very good, and for example Lucho Diaz is player to the Bayern Munich. James is in the old, and John Arias is in the play to the Palmeiras.
What do you expect from Portugal? Are you happy for see Cristiano Ronaldo?
And respect to the Portugal is very good team because the Cristiano Ronaldo is the very good player, and the others player, for example, João Cancelo and Bernardo Silva, is the very good, and is very difficult competition in the group because the Portugal is very difficult.
Ronaldo plays with James Rodriguez at Real Madrid, with Juan Cuadrado in Juventus.
Yes.
What do you know about Bosnia? Do you know any Bosnian player?
The Bosnia is the very difficult to the group because it's in the Bosnian note. In my opinion, is no good team because to the players is the popular to the world. Because in the yes.
Do you know Edin Džeko?
Excuse me.
Do you know Edin Džeko?
Is in the Jack?
Edin Džeko, do you know who is? Or striker?
A striker is in the, in my opinion, is in the striker is the.
Dobro, očito ne zna ko je Edin Džeko, nećemo ga više daviti. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you have any message to the world?
Is my message is in the old persons is in the very good, and the attention to this person is the very good person, and to the World Cup is very good, and the attention to the World Cup because it's the very good World Cup.
Thank you very much. Enjoy in Toronto. And good luck for Colombia.
Okay. Bye. Thank you so much.